Decide, one God or three God? Christian doctrine affirms Jesus is God and part of a triune divine being. Yes, Christian theology offers reasons why this does not contradict monotheism. The Trinity doctrine emphasizes one essence, three persons. But from an Islamic viewpoint, the presence of so many teachers, philosophies, idolatrous practices, and the earlier prophets' clear rejection of any partner with God raise serious doubts. Why would a divine Jesus allow or permit these? Why not correct these fully? Why not unify all mankind under one truthful message? The implication is, perhaps the message must be pure monotheism, with submission to one God, Allah, and the messengers are human.
If it reached your heart, let it reach another. Acknowledge it once, twice, then forward it forward. This message isn't just for you. It's for all of mankind. So don't let it stop with you.